Hey, this is Charles from Map Syndicate. Let's go ahead and talk about why MAP, Master Affiliate Profits, is the best investment for affiliates. So first of all, let's go ahead and talk about this. You get ground floor access. I started off in something called phase one. There's three phases. The third phase is going to be the official launch. At this point in time, we are at phase two. So when I started, phase one was just to talk about it. In fact, I actually invested before they even built it out. That's how much trust I had in the founders of the system. Both John and Omar Martin, so John Thornhill and Omar Martin, they have provided a lot of transparency, and I followed them for years, and then they introduced MAP to me. I joined, again, nothing was built out. Phase two came along, that was February of 2024. They launched it, myself and other affiliates started promoting it, and so we are gearing up for the official launch. And so right now, things are online. You could sign up, you could get the training. But the key benefit here is that before we go into phase three, you get this pretty much ground floor access. And I say that because you join as a backer, a MAP backer, which gives you platinum status, which gives you a one-time low payment compared to what you'll be paying through a subscription. People will have to pay eventually month after month after month. So to save money, you get this early adopter discount and you join as a MAP backer today, and you could start promoting it when not that many people know about it. So, of course, there's been some very, I should say, like big people in the game, big affiliate marketers in the game that have promoted it, but it's still in its infancy. There's still huge growth in this. So, grants you exclusive early access to revolutionary affiliate marketing system before it opens to the public. So that's what I mean. Next thing here is high commissions. Right now, as a MAP backer, you could promote it and get high ticket commissions, 75% of the high ticket sale. So that is actually extremely huge. And at this point in time, we have a three-figure sale. In the future, they are developing multiple different levels of tickets. So if you think about low, medium, high ticket, that's going to be all available through MAP where you could promote it. And right now, if you sell it, you could sell it again at a one-time sale and get 75%. So very huge benefit here. And this will help you out, especially in this very early stage of MAP. One of the things here about master affiliate profits compared to the typical products that you see, whether it's JVZoo, ClickBank, or Warrior Plus, these are all top internet marketing focused affiliate networks. You typically promote, you send traffic to a landing page, and then you go ahead and make a sale, make some commissions, but typically you're not building your list. One of the key differences here is that as you build sales through Master Affiliate Profits, you are building your buyers list. That's extremely crucial in this game of email marketing and building up your audience. Owning your audience, especially through your list, is extremely important. So keep that in mind. This actually applies to just about any internet marketing focus that you go into, any side hustle where you're making money, building your audience, building your asset that you control and own, which is your email list. This is something that people try to compare with social media, because social media, like let's say influencers, they are able to build up their audiences. That's extremely powerful. But then there's been big people in the influencer space that have had their accounts cut off, which means that they no longer could access their account, which means that they have a hard time building up their audience in the future. So the way around that is that you build up your list, and then you use something like MAP. MAP helps you build your own list. And if you are in this industry where you want to help out others make money online, then MAP is something that you could use as an integral key component of your system. So again, it's extremely important for long-term profits. Next thing here that I want to talk about is comprehensive training. When I see a lot of these products that are selling from, like, let's say $4 to maybe about $97, even like products that cost $1,000, what I've seen is that they'll promote one big thing. They'll try to solve one big problem. But I'm sure if you've been in this game in internet marketing for some time, there's not just one big problem. There's multiple problems, multiple angles that you will come across in your career as a digital marketer. So whether you're trying to build up your audience, and you want to build it across different platforms, whether that's on social media, on YouTube, you want to build up your email list, there are all these different things that you need to know. So instead of just saying, I'm just going to solve one single problem for you, there are so many things that you can resolve by getting this comprehensive training where it will help people from the very beginning, very infant stage of building a business, all the way to advanced level. So that's what you can expect from MAP. And then if you do have any questions, if you want to do a deep dive in any of the topics that you've learned, you could attend one of the workshops. They have like webinars that they have regularly. You could attend those live sessions, ask your questions, and then there's also a community that you can get involved with online, connect with others, and get your questions answered as well. So very awesome. And then you got some innovative tools. So one of the things here is that I'll just talk about the website. The website itself, out of all of these high ticket type of programs that I have been a part of, there are some that have a lot of killer training as well that I promote. But the thing is that with MAP, it's probably one of the most simplistic businesses, the most easy to understand businesses that I've seen in the marketplace. Once you log in, you'll be able to see pretty much a website with a great user experience that's very easy to navigate. Let me just show you really quick. So right now I'm in my back office, so you're able to see how it looks like inside a MAP. You're able to see all the different trainings that they have. Just click on it and then you're able to access beginning to advanced levels. If you come in as a MAP backer, as a platinum level MAP affiliate, you'll be able to access again A to Z training in all of these, from beginner to advanced. And as you can see here, this interface is very clean. And if you want to look at these different items, you hover over them, you could see that you have all these different products that you can get access to, different trainings. And over here, you could see these notes like link settings, my leads, my products, my ledger, profile, support. So very easy to navigate website. Let me just jump into something quick. So I'm showing you the live backstage training. Not going to go ahead and play them, of course, but this is where you can actually discuss topics very in depth and get more advanced level information. At this point in time, they have 40 trainings that are available, these Q&A sessions. So lots of great stuff here. Just to show you how the training is set up, you could see that there's silver, gold, and platinum, pretty much what I mentioned. A to Z, this is for traffic, and there's a lot to explore here. This is one of the newest trainings that they're offering. They're still building it out, but it's focused on paid advertising. So as you can see here, there are a lot of information where you could advertise using free ads, but then this one, it'll help you go into advertising even more if you want to grow your list even more, grow your business, and learn advanced strategies on how to advertise your business. I also want to bring your attention to this. ConverToolz is a software that is a premium software that has been sold outside of the MAP system, but they're giving you this as a bonus amongst many other bonuses here. But this is a funnel creation software that is focused for internet marketers. And what I like about this is that it comes preloaded with tons and tons of funnels, so lead magnets, and you'll be able to promote just about any product in the internet marketing space. So it's very easy to set up. So this is an older sales page for ConverToolz when it was selling as premium. So what you can see here is that people that get into this, they are able to build out 100 different opt-in funnels. So that's 100 websites. Also comes loaded with 150 IM products. That's videos and ebooks for your lead magnet library. Also, they add new products over time at no additional charge. They also have a very simple to use landing page and download page builder. Also has well over 250 beautiful background images for your websites and a lot more. So this all comes at no fee to you. So this will allow you to build your list very easily, whether you use MAP or use ConverToolz. It is a great combo to have. Again, this comes free. I believe it was selling for close to $300, but this comes as a huge bonus for people that are wanting to get involved in Master Affiliate Profits, and it does have a lot more than what I'm showing you today. So that is all for this video. I want to thank you for watching. If you do have any questions about Master Affiliates, make sure that you check out the link in my description. It will inform you more about how to build a business from home, especially with MAP. Thanks for watching.